Hello everyone. Welcome back to Learn English from them. Today's lesson is going to help you improve your English listening, speaking, vocabulary, and confidence in a very simple and natural way. If you want to speak English fluently one day, this lesson is perfect for you. Many English learners ask the same question: how can I become fluent in English faster? The answer is simple. Practice English every day and make English part of your daily life. You do not need to travel to America or England to learn English. You can learn from your phone, your television, your music, your books, and even your daily conversations. The important thing is consistency. First, let's talk about listening skills. Listening is one of the most powerful ways to learn English naturally. Babies learn languages by listening before they speak. In the same way, your brain needs regular English input. You can start by listening to simple English videos on YouTube. Choose videos made for beginners. Listen carefully to the pronunciation and repeat the sentences aloud. You can also listen to English songs and try to understand the lyrics. At the beginning, you may not understand everything, and that is completely normal. Do not stop. Continue listening every day, and slowly your understanding will improve. Now let's talk about speaking English confidently. A lot of people are shy when speaking English because they are afraid of making mistakes. But mistakes are part of learning. Even native English speakers sometimes make mistakes. The secret is simple. Speak without fear. When you practice speaking every day, your confidence grows naturally. Speak in front of your mirror, talk to yourself in English, or record your voice on your phone. For example, you can say, "Today is a beautiful day. I am learning English. I want to become fluent. I will practice every day." Simple sentences help train your mouth and brain together. Another important thing is pronunciation. Good pronunciation helps people understand you more easily. To improve pronunciation, you should listen carefully and repeat words many times. For example, thought, through, enough, comfortable, vegetable, beautiful. English pronunciation is not always easy, but daily repetition makes a big difference. Now let's discuss vocabulary. Vocabulary is the foundation of communication. The more words you know, the easier it becomes to express yourself. But do not try to memorize thousands of words at one time. Learn small groups of useful words every day. For example, learn words related to food, bread, rice, chicken, water, family, mother, father, brother, sister, travel, airport, ticket, hotel, passport, work, office, meeting, computer, manager. When you learn a new word, create a sentence with it. For example, I bought bread this morning. My sister is at school. I need my passport to travel. This method helps you remember words faster. Reading is also a great way to improve English. Start with simple stories, short articles, or subtitles in movies. Reading helps you understand sentence structure and grammar naturally. Speaking of grammar, many students worry too much about grammar rules. Grammar is important, but communication is more important. Focus first on understanding and speaking. Instead of trying to sound perfect, focus on being understood. For example, if you say, "I go store yesterday," people may still understand you. Later, you will learn the correct sentence. "I went to the store yesterday." Learning English is a process. Improvement happens step by step. Another excellent habit is thinking in English. Try describing your actions in English during the day. I am eating breakfast. I am going to work. I am watching television. I am studying English. This habit trains your brain to think directly in English without translating from your native language. You should also create a study routine. For example, 15 minutes listening, 15 minutes reading, 15 minutes speaking, 15 minutes vocabulary practice. 1 hour every day can completely change your English level over time. Sometimes motivation disappears, and you may feel tired or discouraged. But remember why you started learning English. Maybe you want better opportunities. Maybe you want to travel. Maybe you want to communicate with more people around the world. Maybe you simply want to improve yourself. Whatever your reason is, never give up. Every day you practice, you become stronger. Every mistake teaches you something new. Every new word brings you closer to fluency. Learning English is not about being perfect. It is about progress. So be patient with yourself and enjoy the journey. Thank you so much for watching this lesson. I hope this video motivates you to continue learning English every single day. If you enjoyed this lesson, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to learn English from them for more easy English lessons and speaking practice videos. Keep practicing, stay confident, and never stop learning. See you in the next lesson.